In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Pipedrive to better fit your sales process. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Pipedrive account. So go ahead and open your web browser, type in Pipedrive's website address, and sign in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard where all the action happens. Next, look for the Deals tab at the top of your dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your sales opportunities. Click on that tab and it will take you to your current deals. Now that you're in the Deals section, it's time to enter the edit mode. You'll notice a pencil icon right next to your pipeline's name. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will allow you to make changes to the stages of your pipeline. Let's dive into customizing your stages. The first thing you might want to do is rearrange them. If you think that your sales process has a different flow, you can easily drag and drop your existing stages. Just click on a stage, hold it down, and move it to your desired position. It's that simple. Next up is renaming your stages. Clear labels are essential for clarity, so if you want to clarify a stage name or just make it more straightforward, click directly on the text of that stage. You'll be able to edit it right then and there. Make sure that the new name truly reflects what that particular stage represents in your sales process. If your sales process has expanded since you first set up Pipedrive, you might want to add new stages as well. To do this, look for the option to add new stages, usually displayed prominently on the Edit screen. Click on that and follow the prompts to create a new stage that fits your workflow perfectly. Once you've made all the necessary changes, don't forget to save your modifications. This is a crucial step. Look for the Save Changes button on the screen. Clicking on that will lock in all the edits you've made before leaving this page. Trust me, you don't want to lose any of that hard work. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Pipedrive setup to better suit your needs. Remember, your sales workflow is as unique as your business, so take the time to ensure everything aligns perfectly with how you sell and interact with your customers. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Join me for more tips and tricks on streamlining your sales processes. Happy selling, everyone, and best of luck with your custom